All right, guys, this is going to be cracking WPA2, and it's going to start out exactly the same way as we did the WIP encryption cracking. Now, my card was already in monitor mode. If you need a refresher on how to do that, there is all the steps in the supplement for this specific lecture. Very, very easy steps. You did it in the last one. We just found the MAC address. And now we're going to run the exact same command. So we're going to run arrow dump, channel 6. And we're going to write our capture is going to be called capture. And I'm not going to forget the hyphen this time. Paste the MAC address in. And the interface. WLAN 0mon. Bam. Now, what we need to have happen here is we are going to try and capture the handshake that occurs between a client, somebody, and the access point, which actually occurs outside of the encrypted Wi-Fi network. It has to occur outside of it because they haven't connected yet. So what ends up happening is someone connects, and I simulated that by using my internal wireless card back in my regular host operating system and connected to lab Wi-Fi, which then created this WPA handshake thing in the upper right-hand corner, letting us know that the capture was successful and we got the handshake. So now we can just go ahead and stop this packet capture, and there it's stopped. Because what we're going to do now is we can take that packet capture and run wordless against it to try and crack it. Now this could take a long time, or it could take a very, very short amount of time depending on how long the password is. This is why we tell you choose long passwords. Now, I already have saved a short word list called short.txt in the same place as the capture file. And oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot the -01.cap. That's why it's not working. All right, let me fix that. Aircrack NG. Capture -01.cap. And we're going to use file short.txt, and bam! There you go. Password was admin123. Simple as that.